She's living in a movie she has always doubted. All the painted faces and the race for attention. Maybe you could make it if you seen through all the fakers. You better believe that you receive as you deceive it. Yeah. We do what we do, only for love. We do what we don't want to do, only for love. Looking at myself and all the roads I could have taken.